What in the hell do we have here?
Well, you just walked in and told me about this challenge that we just got presented to us.
Nice, Ron.
And we were thinking of platforms we could start with that we don't have much money in. And this fits the profile right here. You don't get much classier than this rig.
I don't even know if I know what is happening with this deal. We've got a very custom hood stack.
God help me, I got a race car.
Hold on, this is how you open the hood, first of all. These are zippers.
Good. Good. What in the Sam hell is that?
What? What the f?
Some people should just put down the welder and walk away slowly.
Yes,
Like,
I mean, there's painful things to look at on this rig, but it's a good platform to start with that's cheap. That's what we needed, because we're on a budget here.
yes.
About like everything we've ever done is on a budget. But
yes.
yes.
But
So,
now we're just putting it on the internet.
yes. So Ron tells me we have $10,000 to work with. We're going to dyno. We're going to drag race. We're going to do a mileage test, which is going to be 100 and some miles. We're going to do a burnout competition. So the tried and true thing to use is a mechanical pump on a Cummins for cheap. I mean, there's a lot of free horsepower to be gained, or cheap horsepower, you know, and that's what we know how to do. So for this one, I think that's what we're going to start with. 12 valve, not sure. What do you think, Ron?
I think that's half the amount of valves we need.
Yeah. What's going to happen, we're going to take this chassis, 180 horsepower, 12 valve, manual truck, MV4500, two-wheel drive truck. There's quite a bit of value here to the right guy for a manual swap. So I'm going to sell the transmission out of it, the stick, because that is not going to go fast on a drag strip, especially with Ron shifting. And if anybody's watched JH Diesel do burnouts with a stick, that's very painful. So we're going to go in automatic like we've always done. I think we're going to use parts off of this 12 valve engine, but we're going to sell the rest of it to gain our money back to where we're going to have nothing in this rolling chassis to begin with. Because that's part of it. If you sell parts off your rig, you can deduct them off of your total tally of parts. Now, this is what we're starting with, and Ron will show you what happens from here on out. So we'll keep you in tune.
Tack's good. Mileage on the old girl, not too bad, really, just getting broke in. Low shift gauges, oh yeah, kinda. No.
Well, listen to that. It's got a fuel pump, and we need that.
Got an air dog.
Yep. Got an air dog. It's got whatever that is. I'm not sure, but it makes noise when you do stuff. This is how you start it.
A few moments later.
Oh, we got her. The door's about ready to break off. Don't look at it. Nope, she's not warm enough yet. Hey, he's working. He lied to me. He does work.
It's multi-use.
Yeah. Come on, girl. Nope. Not happening. You don't have to push clutch down. I'm really hoping this thing runs for itself by itself. So we might as well send this thing off right before I tear it apart, sell the parts, and start this build. We might as well see if this stick shift 12 valve will do a burnout. It's only rightful. It's got a hood stack. So it sounds like it runs out of fuel pressure to me. I'm just guessing.
That was painful.
It makes some noises.
It sounds like it runs out of fuel pressure.
It does something like a pop and pop pop.
Yeah, and I don't think it's getting enough fuel. It's like it gets lean.
It does something.
What gear was that?
Second.
Second. Yeah, it definitely needs at least third. Try that. Maybe it'll load it harder. Definitely runs out of fuel still. But that was much more,
Entertaining.
yeah, that was the better final drive ratio. I'll say that. It was loading it more. It was much more happy. She got fuel pressure? Oh, she got oil pressure. That's what we wanted to see. Yeah, pretty good. How many miles? 223? Them look like it was probably rough miles.
Yeah, I would say, just based off the fabrication of the hood stack alone, very, very rough.
Have you figured out what that thing is yet?
Not a clue.
The numbers go up and down as you drive, and it yells at you. That's about all
I
I
heard
can
it make
figure.
noise. I really don't know what it is. Is there a fuel pressure gauge on here?
No.
No, we got exhaust temp and a boost. Well, I never paid attention to either one of them.
Nope.
Okay, we'll back it up before you blow it up so we can sell stuff. Alright guys, so I was tearing this beautiful truck apart. You can see lighting isn't perfect here, but get the old 5-speed stick shift there. I found all kinds of cool stuff in this thing. Look at this. Come with some free Copenhagen here. Don't do drugs, kids. It's bad. Even has money, so that's going to help our cause right there. Some of the money. Got a toolbox. There's a intercooler, spare intercooler in the bed. So the big thing is we've got to save everything we can on this or reuse it. Yeah, we got to come up with the power plant we're going to use and the transmission and stuff, all on a budget. Everybody thinks $10,000 to work with is a lot. It's not when you go to do diesel performance stuff. Like, you can spend $10,000 on 2 or 3 parts if you don't watch it. So we're going to try to use, most of the stuff we're going to use is used. Not going to lie. Stuff we've had laying around and whatnot. So, all right, got it on the hoist. Standard cab, pretty hard to get hold of with the hoist because the hoist arms are too long, but we're going to make it happen. It's getting ready to go up. All right, little update here for you. White truck, no longer together, as you see. No engine, no transmission. MV4500 5-speed here, gonna get sold. 12 valve right there, already sold. Client's coming to get it. Cab over here on the hoist. And monster truck just waiting for attention. Gonna be super cold here in Indiana for a little bit. Hopefully Ron and Goose come down. Maybe they'll get this back inside. I'm gonna put it outside for now. Maybe they'll get it back inside, start doing some work on it, get ready for this Poor Boys Diesel Challenge or Poor Diesel Challenge, whatever you guys are calling this thing. Yeah, need to start working on it now while we have time because things are gonna get busy in the summer. Keep you guys updated.